Good evening, I'm John Murphy representing CBC News. Today's topic we will talk about a tragic incident about this very important matter regarding Air France. A tragic aircraft accident involving an Air France Airbus A340-300 took place on August 2, 2005. While on approach to Toronto Pearson International Airport, Air France 358, which had 297 passengers and 12 in the crew, was attempting to land in a very intense storm when it ran off the runway into a deep gorge. Fortunately, no further casualties were reported. All 309 persons aboard Flight 358 escaped unharmed from the airplane and incident. But in a subsequent fire which broke out after the crash, the plane was lost. We now go to the Air France corporate communication officer who will inform us about the events and state how the airline has dealt with the situation. Could you tell us how Air France responded to the incident involving Flight 358 and how it was handled? Hello. First of all, I want to thank you for being here today. Let me take this opportunity to say how glad of the fact that everyone on board survived this unfortunate incident. So it could have been so much worse incident and how satisfied we are with the crew performance. The passengers were all safe thanks to the quick action taken by the crew member. When the plane stopped on the ground, the flight attendant followed and used the emergency slides and evacuated all the passengers from the aircraft within 90 seconds under very difficult conditions, including fire that has begun to spread. There were also measures in this direction carried out by Air France, which activated crisis management system and provided help to the passenger and their families and worked with Canadian authorities airport management. Excellent answer. What was the cause of the accident? First reports indicate that there were multiple causes still unresolved. The plane touched down in adverse weather conditions in heavy rains, low visibility, and a rain-soaked runway. So these factors were responsible for overshooting the point of landing, resulting to overrunning the runway and crashing into the ravine. Additionally, more reports from captain and crew studies appear to indicate that the runway condition hindered the braking actions and contributed to the overrun. We are in consultation with the aviation professionals to interpret the flight data and the cockpit capture video and recordings in a bid of appreciation of the situation. Thank you so much. That was a wonderful, detailed answer. Can I ask, what steps is Air France taking to address this and prevent future incidents? Air France has a strong commitment to safety. In view of this event, we are taking several immediate steps. First of all, we shall take an analysis of our approach procedure for landing in bad weather, assuring that all the pilots have the necessary training and the latest tool at their disposal to make the right choices. In the right way, under adverse conditions, in addition, measures were taken with the airports to improve the ground condition on the runway. In cases of adverse weather, to avoid such situation, moreover, we are launching enhanced safety measures regarding the radiophone communication between air traffic controllers and the pilot and the crew of the aircraft to provide a full understanding of the weather condition. Thank you for answering that question. Can I ask, how does Air France plan to reassure the public that flying with the airline remains safe? Since the day Air France was established, safety has always been and will always be the top priority of Air France. We also understand that incidents such as this one can raise some concern. Let us assume the public that it is still very safe to travel by air. As part of our strategy to implement this goal, we shall review the training of our crew with a view to enabling them handle emergencies better. Let's also say that we are looking at, for example, new technologies and that enhance runway monitoring system to prevent or minimize the chances of possible runaway overrun in the future. Besides, we are actively cooperating with the aviation authorities from several countries around the world to this end so we can avoid such cases in the future. Rather learn from this and ensure that it does not occur again. Thank you. Thank you for having me. We truly appreciate the trust our passenger placed in us, and we should know how to further enhance safety regarding this incident. To reach the doubt as to our commitment toward the safety of our passenger, we are going to enforce all the changes that are necessary so that such an occurrence does not take place again. Thank you for being here and thank you for being with us and telling us all the details. And thank you for watching.